Next, we will demonstrate the split stitch. We will use 6 strands of floss, color number 7 for the embroidery. Bring the needle through from the left end. Bring the needle down at approximately the front position. Then bring the needle through the center of the floss. Pull the floss. We will demonstrate it once more. Stitch forward 1 stitch. Bring the needle through the center of the floss. Stitch 1 stitch forward. Bring the needle through the center of each stitch. Split the floss into 2 halves. We repeat the previous steps until the lines are completely stitched. Each time, bring the needle through and bring the needle down. Keep the stitch length consistent. This way, the lines will look more beautiful and even. Split stitch creates fine and dense stitches, especially suitable for stitching curves or pattern outlines. Bring the needle down at the end position for the last stitch. We have completed the split stitch. Let's take a look at the finished result.